When you unplug your Spectrum cable box, especially when connected to a Samsung TV, you might encounter HDMI or HDCP handshake issues that result in a black screen or no signal error. This happens because unplugging disrupts the secure connection between devices. The cable box must perform a digital handshake to protect copyrighted content, and this process can fail after power cycling. HDCP works like a three-way handshake. The cable box sends a request, the TV responds, and they confirm the secure connection. Here's a quick fix. First, unplug both the TV and the Spectrum cable box from their power outlets. Wait 30 seconds to allow complete discharge. Then plug the TV back in first and wait for it to fully power on. Finally, plug in the cable box. This lets the TV initialize its HDMI ports before the box tries to connect. In mid-2025, Spectrum released firmware update 1.2.4 and Samsung released firmware 2205, which address HDCP renegotiation bugs and can automatically resolve handshake issues. Make sure both your cable box and TV have these updates installed. If these steps don't resolve the problem, continue to the next section for more advanced troubleshooting options. If the basic power cycle didn't work, let's dive deeper. First, try a different HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Samsung's HDMI port 1 is often the most stable. Ensure you're using a high-speed HDMI cable certified for 4K at 60 Hz to rule out cable issues. Check your TV's settings for HDMI CEC, Consumer Electronics Control, or AnyNet Plus, Samsung's brand name for HDMI CEC, and try toggling it off and on. This can sometimes force a reconnection. If still no signal, contact Spectrum support and request a box replacement. Older boxes are more prone to HDCP failures. You can also try using Spectrum's app on your Samsung Smart Hub as a workaround. Finally, consider the environment. Excessive heat can stress hardware, so ensure the box is well ventilated.